Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering PBF Energy Inc., ticker PBF, one of the largest independent petroleum refiners in the U.S. As of the market close on January 2nd, 2026, the most recent trading day, PBF finished at $28.53, up a strong 5.2% on elevated volume. The gains came alongside PBF's latest operational update. Rebuild efforts at the fire damaged Martinez refinery in California will extend into February, with planned operating rates expected by early March 2026. The company also provided 2026 annual guidance, highlighting ongoing capital returns through dividends and focused on cost discipline amid fluctuating crack spreads in a softer oil market. For PBF shareholders, near-term performance will hinge on refinery utilization and refining margins. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If this update was useful, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock insights, and comment your next ticker request below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.